Let's say a student has a certain overall grade at the moment, but you want to project into the future what that student's overall grade might turn out to be based on future scores. All you have to do is, in the grade book, click on the student's name on the left-hand side, and then click What If. Here's where you can enter the projected scores. So let's say for this student at the moment has an 80%. Let's see what happens if we enter in 100 for the next homework, and then an 80 for the next homework, and then a 90 for the third homework. So you enter in those scores here, and then you just click Recalculate, and it shows you the actual score as it is right now, but the projected score will be down here. And you can keep on playing with it to see what other different projected scores will turn out to be. And there you go.